Mommy Vidhi.
And I'm baby Kiaan.
And we are back with our pronunciation challenge on animals. Kiaan, are you ready?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
Excellent! Do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Alright, Kiaan, let's get started. Lion,
Lion.
lioness,
Lioness.
donkey,
Donkey.
monkey,
Monkey.
zebra,
Zebra.
buffalo,
Buffalo.
jackal,
Jackal.
tortoise.
Tortoise.
Kiaan, we did them all! Excellent!
Yay! Bulani. Bulani.
Baby shaka doo 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 doo, baby shaka doo 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 doo, baby shaka doo 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 doo, baby shark. Mommy shaka doo 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 doo, mommy shaka doo 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 doo, mommy shaka doo 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 doo, mommy shark. Well, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. See you later.